Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to one and all. Today we will discuss about after PhD, what are the career opportunities we are having it, okay? Not only PhD, beyond it, okay? Now, the age is in 5.0, okay? It is an AI-driven research career in the era of industry. Think that when you have done a PhD, okay? Oh, what is this PhD, okay? uh, Means to go for an academic level and to become an associate professor to an professor or an HOD. It's not as such, okay? PhD now is a passport to global opportunities in an AI, deep tech, startups and consulting, policymaking, entrepreneurship and innovation. If you see, the future is for an researchers to combine, okay, what they got in knowledge, okay, in a PhD, in an academic, with an exposure, with an expertise, with an AI, okay. So we will see today why the PhD, okay, is changing nowadays, okay. Yeah, what was there earlier 5 years or a decade back is the role has changed, okay, the career landscape has changed because today we will discuss about an industry 5.0, the era of AI revolution, knowledge economy, digital transformation, and global research ecosystem. Okay. Of course, if you see this today's scenario, okay, a PhD is no longer a degree, okay, it is an innovation credential, okay, it is the backbone of foreign further innovation and startups, okay. Coming to traditional career opportunities, okay, if you see that when you have completed a PhD, you can become an professor in an recognized colleges or in universities, becoming a scientist. You can go for a postdoctoral fellow and having in government research organizations, okay, you can join and you can go for an according to the hierarchy, okay, and national laboratories, think tanks and policy advisor and international organizations also, you can get the job, okay, like in CSIR, DRDO, ISRO, then ICMR, and if you see in globally WHO and different organizations. Think now, okay, beyond this academia, as an scientist, okay, AI research scientist, you can go for it, okay, data scientist, AI consultant, innovation manager, patent analyst, research strategist, okay, then corporate research and development, R&D, scientific writer on different topics, technology transfer officer, venture capital analyst, startup founder, especially main role in an ed tech entrepreneur, healthcare analytics, sustainability consultant, and digital transformation expert. Okay, these are all the newest roles a PhD can have it. Okay, so think that on AI, okay, supervisors, every PhD should learn, okay. As in nowadays, if you want to move beyond it, okay, you have to know the chat GPT is the one of the best way of using it for literature review, idea generation, for if you want to get a major and minor grants also, you can use it, okay. Then Gemini for analysis, Claude you can use for an research workout, okay, for an drafting, for an idea generation, and also for an search, okay. Then for an visualization also you can use it. Perplexity, Elicit, Cite, connected papers for especially for literature discovery, okay, literature mapping, Research Rabbit, Notebook LM you can use for an PDFs as an study assistant, okay. Consensus you can use for review of literature and for an downloading the papers, okay. Then GitHub as in coding assistance. Then Canva you can use for visualizations, okay, for posters, for preparing your PPT and infographics, okay. Gamma AI, Elven Jobs, Heygen you can use as an video, okay. Runway ML for an video editing. Mid Journey, scientific illustrations. Delay, you can use for an education graphics. Okay, think that one if you want to go for an abstract graphing. Okay, graphics. Okay, you can use it. The Napkin AI for research diagrams and flowcharts. Okay, This is the AI tools you can use for different purposes and at different levels. For example, okay, if you want to show, just I want to show here thing that on Chat GPT, okay, you can use it for eliciting. Think that when you're doing a research study, okay, just to give an prompt, elicit very recent research studies on climate change, climate change from Scopus and Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, tuning journals within 2020 to 2026. You will see that on what it gives, okay? The chat GPT. So you have to know the prompt, okay? Certainly it has given, okay? See, 2026, recent advances in AI-driven climate adaptations and resilience, major contribution, okay? You can go for it further retrospectively, then you can use it, okay? So it prepares them workflow. Okay, if you think that one, if you give an prompt that how you can go for research on these papers, okay, or on this question, okay, then it prepares. So you can use ChatGPT, our research genius, okay, and Notebook LM for summary you can use, okay. For if you want to get, if you want to have a research gap, okay, you can use an paper pal, then even ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, okay. For literature, you can use Mendeley, Jotaro, EndNote, okay. For citations also, you can use these softwares. For visualization, you can go for Canva. Then even in ChatGPT also will give an visualization, okay. For preparations of an slides, okay. You can use an Elven job labs, okay, for narration, runway ML, okay, and you can transcribe it, okay, if it is an qualitative research, okay. This is the way that you can use an AI tools at different levels and as well as at different purposes. But always think that one, you have to have a critical thinking, and whatever you're using it, okay, it must be valid and it must be original contribution to the field. Then up to now, we have seen that on how we can use it academically and for your progress. But the main concept of an after PhD or in your PhD, okay, is to make you or you have to earn from your degree. Okay, so the new trend is going for an research entrepreneurship. Okay, so nowadays, if you see in the marketplace, okay, we are having deep tech startups, AI products, and university incubation, technology commercialization, going for an intellectual property rights, okay, by patents, patent licensing, and spin-off companies, okay. So here, the main aim is not to seek the job, we have to create the job, okay. This is done in an IIP PDF in an Eudoxia Research University. So if you see in future, this is 2026. So what about in 2030 or in 2040? Okay, as in PhD, what the career they are having, the very trendy futuristic careers, okay, for in PhDs, they can become as an AI ethics scientist, digital twin researchers, quantum computing researcher, because everywhere there's a quantum computing, the philosophy and its applications, we are using it, robotics scientist, bioinformatic specialist, climate AI researcher, okay, very, very trendy in nature, precision agriculture scientist, AI healthcare consultant, metaverse education designer, space technology researcher, generative AI educator, chief research officer, then innovation ecosystem builder. So to compete with these careers, okay, we brought in our Eudoxia. We believe that it is an outcome based education, okay. Whatever we will do, we will be, the scholar has to give something to this universe or in this world. So we are having in different courses. The main is to make them independent researcher and researchpreneur. They have to earn from their research, okay, from their innovation. So we are having an IIP. It is a one-time, one-stop solution for all the research problems, okay. Is 1 year course. Then IIP PDF is to become an innovator, a true innovator. IIP PDF is the best course. Okay, it is in 3 years course. As well as we are having an AI trainer here, AI trainer course. Okay, I believe it is an executive AI trainer course. Okay, for in 3 months here they can learn the different AI tools. Then how they can go for marketing it. Okay, how they can earn it. So if you see overall, okay. Don't think that your PhD is not only the destination, okay? It is the foundation for lifelong innovation for further years, okay? Of course, in the age of an AI, okay, they have to embrace technology. They have to learn, they have to upskill, they have to reskill, okay? And they have to collaborate with other disciplines because the concept is, today's concept is a multidisciplinary in nature, because we have to solve the problem in a holistic and comprehensive way, okay, and you have to learn continuously to upskill, will shape the future. So you can use different AI tools, then you can go for it, okay. So if you want to have, okay, the future, you have to embrace the technology, especially AI. Thank you.